Good day everyone, especially to our panelists. I am presenter number 1, Chloe Daniel Casas, and today we are here to present to you our research entitled The Effectiveness of Madre de Cacao or Gliricidia sepium leaves extract on Anopheles mosquito, or also known as Anopheles quadrimaculatus.
Presenter number 2, Maria Luisa Felicia. Introduction. Mosquitoes are amongst the common insects who spread disease and can cause millions of deaths each year, with controlling their numbers is essential according to Sigash et al. But according to Mazarme in 2014, not all people can buy control products that are sold in the market, so it is proposed that a new product that is more affordable is needed. Now, with what I have stated, we, the researchers, aim to research a product that has the same larvicidal capabilities as the commercial pesticide, using Madre de Cacao leaf extract as our base, in hope that we can help the government with the discoveries as well as future researchers.
Presenter 3, Ira Marohom.
Statement of the problem.
Specifically, this study aimed to answer the following questions. Is Madre de Cacao extract with concentration of 25, 50, and 75% effective against killing Anopheles mosquito larvae? Second one, is there a significant difference in the level of effectiveness of Madre de Cacao leaf extract as a killing agent for Anopheles mosquito larvae at different concentrations? The last one, is there a significant difference in the effectiveness of Madre de Cacao leaf extract as a killing agent for Anopheles mosquito larvae from commercial larvicide?
I am Chanel Hart B. Mason, presenter number 5. Research design. The research design of the study was experimental research design. It was chosen as the project's respective research design due to its closely related to scientific research. This design also included the hypothesis and the control variable that were used by the researchers. The said variables were measured, calculated, and then compared.
Hello everyone, I'm Darcy Bachar, the number 6 presenter. And here's our locale of the study. The study was conducted in a farm in Poblacion 1, Libak, Sultan Kudarat. This location was chosen because it can provide the equipment and materials needed by the researchers. Different tests were performed in the said location to collect data with the use of research instruments.
Hello everyone, I am Prinace Jindaluz, the presenter number 7. The effectivity of Madre de Cacao extract as larvicide experiment. First is the gathering of materials such as beakers, oven, and blender. Materials such as Madre de Cacao leaves and mosquito larvae is procured at a farm in Poblacion 1, Lebak, Sultan Kudarat. The drying of leaves. The leaves are dried using the National Center for Home Food Preservation's optimal temperature and amount of time used. Next is extraction. If the leaves are finished drying and has already turned to powder, the extraction will proceed. In here, the powder is mixed with water according to its concentration and is then strained 2 times for purity. The method used in the process of extraction is the maceration tincture method. It was chosen based on the leaf's characteristics. Next is the larvicidal test. After the extraction, the final product is then introduced to a jar each containing 300 ml of marsh water and 5 live mosquito larvae. The amount of powdered extract diluted in distilled water is based on concentration of 25%, 50%, and 75% as for the 100%, which is commercial pesticide. This is used as a comparison for effectivity. Next is the data analysis. The data obtained is then analyzed for their effectivity both in concentration and as a whole. The amount of time taken to kill a larva is observed. The last one will be the result and discussion. With the data gathered, the result of the experiment will now be determined by the researchers to make a final conclusion.
Results and discussions. Presenter number 8, Genevieve Tabora. Here we have the table we use to represent the level of effectivity according to the mean given. 0 up to 2.5 is less effective, 2.6 up to 5.0 is moderately effective, 5.1 up to 7.5 is effective, and 7.6 up to 10 is very effective.
Presenter number 9, Hanajo Pangkog. With the results seen here in the table, we conducted that 25% is effective, 50% is very effective, as well as 75% very effective. Also, as for the control group, all mosquito larvae died in the trial, thus having a mean of 10. The results indicated that at this concentration, Madre de Cacao leaf extract is considered as a very effective treatment for killing mosquito larvae. As for the supporting RRL, we have the research of the Zamboanga National High School where Madre de Cacao is used in a pesticide experiment resulting in a 94% mortality rate. The highest mortality was observed in 20 and 15 ml leaf extract.
Presenter 3 Ira Marohom. Table 2 to 3 significant difference in the level of effectiveness of Gliricidia sepium leaf extract at different concentrations is killing Anopheles quadrimaculatus larvae.
Presenter number 8, Genevieve Tabora. With the results seen here at the table, we conclude that there is a significant difference between the concentrations since the p-value is lower than 0.05. The significant difference is at the value of 25 and 50 as well as 25 and 75. However, results also show that there is no significant difference between 50 and 75. We also conclude that 75 is the most effective concentration of Madre de Cacao.
Presenter number 4, Jonathan Makailing. As for the supporting RRL, we have the 1996 research of Mr. Alfredo Robina, a professor at the Northern University of the Philippines. He discovered that the Madre de Cacao leaves contains toxins known as coumarins, which is capable of killing almost all types of pests and insects. His study was supported by another chemist named Dr. Nordin Lajiz.
I'm the presenter number 2, Maria Luisa Felicia. Table 4 to 5, significant difference of Larvicides sepium's leaf extract Madre de Cacao extract as killing agent for Anopheles quadrimaculatus larvae, Anopheles mosquito, compared to commercial pesticide. The result in the test shows that there is no significant difference between Madre de Cacao and C pesticides, since the chosen significant level is higher than the alpha value. This result shows us that both the treatment and control variable is similar in comparison to their effectivity. Therefore, we accept the null hypothesis and reject the alternative hypothesis.
Presenter number 9, Hanadjo Pangkog. As for the supporting RRL, we have the research by Bullock and Bulong 2003 where they said that the fermented botanical plant extracts of Madre de Cacao is as effective and comparable to the synthetic pesticide.
This is Chloe Daniel Casas, and now I present to you the summary. The researchers successfully extracted the Madre de Cacao and answered the questions to what is its effectiveness as a mosquito larvicide, its level of difference as a larvicide at different concentrations, and if there is a significant difference of it as a killing agent from a commercial larvicide. With the given results using the 2K HST test, it was determined that the alternative hypothesis is rejected, while the null hypothesis, on the other hand, is accepted.
Hello everyone, I am Gliricidia, the presenter number 7. These are the conclusions. The lowest effectivity result recorded was 5.3 over 10 and the highest recorded is 10 over 10. It was determined that the most effective concentrations were 50% and 75%, having no significant difference, with 75% being the most effective. As a result, the null hypothesis is accepted and the alternative hypothesis is rejected.
Hello everyone, I'm Larvicides, the number 6 presenter. Recommendation. For our recommendation, since Madre de Cacao is a potent larvicide, its use in eradicating and killing household mosquitoes is highly recommended, especially on wet places prone to mosquitoes. The use of Madre de Cacao as a natural larvicide is recommended to reduce the side effects of using commercial pesticides in killing mosquitoes. The researchers would like to recommend using larvicide instead of pesticides for it's more affordable and eco-friendly. For the last one, the researchers also recommends this is a reference for the future researchers, as it would be the guide and help for their study in knowing how effective the Madre de Cacao leaf extract as a larvicide to mosquitoes.